Hello guys, welcome to Technical Geek. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how can you earn $10 in just 5 minutes. Yes, $10 in just 5 minutes. The site link is given in the description box. Check out in the description box and don't forget to read my blogs which are also given in the description box. So in this video we are going to see how can we earn from this site. So today's our topic is in this site you need to do some simple works. They are watch ads. In this site the ads will be played and you have just need to watch the ads will watch ads, then refer with your friends so that you get some commissions with that. And another is do survey. The surveys you need to do in this survey, the question will be asked as per your country. Then you need to do is to give the answer of that question and earn some amount of money. Another is install the app, and another one is watch video. You need to watch some videos for a 10 second or 5 second and get some amount of money for that. Another is play games. You need to install the apps and play games for up to 5 level 2 level and you will be rewarded with some dollars. So if you click in the link which is given in the description box, then this site will open. So you can see that see the site. This site will open. So in this site, so just check out some description here. Members benefit. What are the benefit we can get from this site? Effortless income from home. You can do these works in your home, and lots of different ways to earn. You can earn from different ways such as survey, refer with your friends, watch videos, and some offers. You will be rewarded with $0.04 per click, earn up to 0.04 per refer click. If you refer with your friend, when your friend starts to do work, so that you will also gain $0.04. Guaranteed ads survey daily. You will get ads survey and instant payment. So this is the site. So you need to do is just click here in the right top corner. Here is the register. So simply click on register. So you need to fill the name, username, email ID, password, and confirm email ID and confirm password, your birth year and birthplace. So now another thing is you need to do is simply type image verification. The word which are shown in this image you have to just type in this box, simply KCVOL, and you need to click in this term and register. And image verification, and simply click on I have read and agree this agreement and simply register. So I already registered in this site, so I simply log in. So I just simply log in from here. So simply in this way you can log in. Simply you have to write your username, password, and image verification, and simply click on login and wait for a second. My account is getting logged in. So here I just created this account 1 hour ago, and I earned 2,291 I just when I tried some 1 or 2 ads. So how can we earn from this site? So simply click on earn money and go to view advertisement. Click on it, and you can see here you have to validate this captcha to have access to a view ads page. So simply click, type the word which we are seeing in the image. Simply N, capital N, T, K, K and T. Simply click on give me access. So wait for a second. So our new page is open. So here is, you have viewed 0 advertisement today. You need to view at least 4 more advertisement to earn clicks from your referral tomorrow. So simply you need to do is click on these ads, daily ads. Click here and wait for the site to open. Now here the timer is running, and wait till it come here, and simply scroll down and up so that they think you are a man, not a robot. Simply after viewing advertisement for a second as per given second, so here is what direction he is giving. Click the upside down picture. So we have to find upside down picture. So here it is, and click on it. And thank you for watching. You have been credited. Now click on close and watch another video. The duration is 7 seconds, so you need to watch this video up to 7 seconds and earn 0.005 point. So click on here and wait for ads to open. So simply now our ad is running. Simply watch it for 7 seconds. When it complete full, so it becomes full. Now click the upside down picture. Simply find, click upside down picture. So here it is, click on it and click close. So simply do this for similar ads. So similarly you need to do similar things in these all tasks where standard ads are given, micro ads are given. Just wait for a second as per given duration. Watch up to 7 seconds. Here it is 30 second. You have to watch for a second which are given here. And simply another method is CPX daily survey. Click on it. Here you solve in this tab, the survey is being loading. So simply you are from USA or UK or India, then your survey will load. Currently I am out from these countries, so there is unfortunately we could not find a survey for your profile, so it is not showing any survey for me. So here another way is lootable daily offer. So simply click on it. Wait for a second. Your lootable offer is opening. So here you can see surveys. So here are some surveys. You need to do survey and earn money. And another is one click. You just need to click. And another is apps. You have to install. Here are unique casino, install and open, register, make a deposit, play, and minimum 25 pound. So you will get 1750 cents. So simply do the same process which are given in the description. So similar process you have to do. And another is videos. You have to watch videos, purchases, play some quiz and earn money. So another method, AdSend media. So AdSend media, here you can find videos, survey, shopping, free trials. So similarly you can get Monex survey offer, 1 hour daily survey, offer tarot, offer wall, Vanada offers, Notic offers, IOD Studios offers, daily videos. So these are the topics you have to earn from all of these. If you are from USA, then it is too good to earn from all these sites. If you are from USA, UK, India, then you can easily earn from this side. So all these are the process to earn, and you can also earn by just clicking in the ads. So in this way you can earn $10 in just 5 minutes. So this much for today. Don't forget to follow us and get update instant notification. So this much for today. Don't forget to follow